everyone. Welcome to this week's video. I'm Ella and I'm doing another yarn haul. I know I just did a yarn haul a few weeks ago, but I've been to several more markets and needed to restock. So I'm here to restock. Also, sorry, the lighting is horrendous, but whatever. Also, I realized before I started recording that yes, I am wearing the same shirt and have the same hairstyle as my last yarn haul video. I am not filming this the same day. This is several weeks later. But I have one bag from Premier. I have my camera flipped so it's backwards, so you can't actually see it, but that's okay. I have one very dirty bag full of Premier yarns, and I have two very beat up boxes from Michaels. So this is gonna be a good time. I'm gonna start with my Premier yarns. I don't know how I want to do this. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I don't remember what I ordered. I literally have no clue. So we'll see. Also, again, sorry, lighting is horrendous. Actually, it kind of looks good. I don't know. I kind of like it. Anyway, I have my baby scissors. And, oh gosh. Okay. Okay, well, I have it open. Okay. So I mostly bought Premier Parfait Chunky. Actually, that might have been all that I bought. Probably. I buy a lot of this stuff. Okay, so I have one color in Azure, I think. I don't know. It's this pretty blue color, though. I buy like 3 different colors of blue. This is like the medium blue. So I like this yarn. This color. I like this yarn. I buy a lot of it, but okay. The next, I have one cream. I should have bought more of this color, but that's okay. That will be a common theme today, is I should have bought more. Premier is out of white right now, and I like desperately need more white yarn. So I put in like a small order of Premier yarns because I just wanted the yarn that I needed, but we'll see. Okay, and then we also have a gray. I don't think I need gray. I think I was just trying to get to the $75 so that I could get free shipping. So looking back, I definitely should have bought different colors, but oh gosh. I'm okay, guys. Okay, I did buy 3 skeins. Oh, I forgot. This gray color is called Fog. Okay, I have 3 pinks. This is in the color Cotton Candy. Usually there's like 3 different shades of pink that are all like the same in my mind. Okay, 1 second. There's like 3 Premier colors of pink that are like the same in my mind, but they're not. So I bought the lighter color this time. I usually buy all 3 of them, but I decided that I do not need the medium pink anymore, which I think was called Ballet Pink. This is called Cotton Candy. I'm not gonna open it yet though. I'm just gonna, okay. She wants to be down here. All right, I have one beat up skein of light blue. I can't remember if I actually needed this or if this was another one that I was just trying to get to the $75. Maybe, I don't know. It's very beaten up. That kind of makes me sad, but that's okay. Okay, I also have one lilac. I need more of this. I think I only have one skein of it besides this one, which sucks, but it's fine. I have one bubble gum. So this is the brighter, gosh, okay. This is the brighter pink. I'm gonna get the more medium color so you can compare. Okay, this is a skein I just had, but if you put it next to these three, like, it's barely different. Like the lighter pinks, these two, it's barely different. So yeah, I'm stopping buying this one and just buying the lighter color. I'm just gonna use this up before using the lighter pink. Anyway, this bag will not decide where it wants to be, so it just wants to be on the floor. Okay, I have a key lime right here. I make like frogs and stuff out of this. Oh yeah, someone commented on one of my last videos and was like, what do you make with this yarn? Cream, I make chickens and cows mostly. The gray, I make whales and hippos. The dark blue, I don't remember why I bought a color of this. I make like whales. Yeah, I don't remember why I bought this. I have like 3 skeins of it already. I don't remember. I used the light pink for this is purple. This is not pink. This is purple, everyone. This is lilac. I use this for unicorns, hippos, octos, all of the things. Light blue, same as the purple, hippos, octos, whales. Bright pink, I also don't remember why I bought it exactly, but and then the light pink, kind of the same as the light blue and purple. But then the green, I make frogs, hippos, octos, all of the things. Okay. Okay, yay, I think I bought the right color. This is in the color Seaside. I bought one of these like 6 months ago, and I threw away the label, and I didn't remember what it was called, but I think this is the right color. So that's good. Okay, and last one. I have 3 yellow. Usually I buy Sunshine, but I feel like the Sunshine is very bright, and so I tried the yellow. So I bought 3 of these, which was good. I need 3 of them. Also, the label's coming off in one of them, and that kind of makes me sad. It's just a really chunky skein. Okay, so that is all of my Premier yarns. What am I doing? Okay, I'm going to reorganize a little bit, then we're going to continue. There we go. That's pretty. Okay, I'm going to take a thumbnail real quick, then we'll continue. Oh no. Oh gosh. Okay. It's okay. It's okay, guys. Okay, I think that's good. I think we got a good thumbnail. I'm going to just put these down here. Oh gosh. Okay. Just going to put those down there. Then I lost my scissors. I found them. Okay. I know I bought a lot, obviously, but I don't remember what it was exactly. Okay, that was a struggle, but it's fine. Oh yeah, so I bought a lot of sweet snuggles. A lot of sweet snuggles. So this is what my first box looks like. Okay, I think I just bought the sweet snuggles. So I got this in the color black. This is for like bees and stuff. I got this in the color chalk blue. It's kind of green in my opinion. But I make like octos and whales out of these. They're really cute and chunky. Okay, and I got 2. Oh, these are very beat up. That's fine. This is in the color green ash. I'm gonna make like frogs and octos and like strawberry tops out of these, I think. I don't know. I thought they were pretty, so I bought them. Okay, I also bought sky blue. I love this color. Like light blue and light purple. Okay, yeah. You can see this blanket and my curtains up here. That's purple. My whole room's purple. So I like purple, but my real favorite color is this kind of blue. Obviously. Okay, and the last one in here is pink. So I make octos and whales out of this too. And I have a receipt. I was confused because it said that like part of my order got shipped, and I was really scared because I thought that they were going to say that they didn't have some of the yarn in stock or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna open this big box. Yeah, I pretty much just ordered Sweet Snuggles, and there's a lot more in here. Okay, so there's another pink. I was kind of wondering why I only got one, because I'm like, I swear I bought 2. I did buy 2. I also got a second chalk blue. Also, the yarn is piling up on the floor. I'll have to show you in a second. But there's another sky blue. And then there is 2 lavender colors. This is like the exact same color as the lilac. Okay, maybe they're very slightly different, but they're basically the exact same color. I'm convinced that Premier Parfait XL and Sweet Snuggles is the same yarn, because the yellow, by the way, I bought yellow in the color yellow. I swear this is the exact same as the Premier Parfait XL. I swear it's the same. But I have 2 yellows. I make bees, and I'll probably try and make an octo out of this to see if it sells. People really like chunky stuff. I also have this red. This looks a lot more red on camera than it does in real life. All of these yarns look a little bit different in person, and by little I mean a lot. This is like a dark red. What's it called? It's called red. Surprise. And I bought 2. I'm gonna make strawberries out of these. I don't remember if I had another plan for these, but they're gonna be strawberries. Then I also have 1 white. This is to make like bee wings and the bottom part of the whales. Okay, I need to adjust my camera and show you the mess I've gotten myself into. This is a lot of yarn. That's fine. Okay, so I adjusted my camera. I moved the box that was sitting right here, but I'm covered in yarn. I've never been happier in my life. It's so colorful and so pretty, and I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, I love this all. But anyway, sorry, my face is getting cut off. But this is all my yarn. I don't know how much I spent. Oh, actually, there's more. 1 second. Okay, sorry, I don't know where it is, but I bought 2 skeins of Bernat blanket in the color, I don't remember what color it was in. It was like vintage white. Bought in vintage white. I felt really smart because after buying like $200 worth of Michael's yarn, they gave me a $10 voucher for free yarn. So I went to Michael's in person. I'm just realizing these 2 colors are like different. I don't like that. I don't like that. They're like different. Anyway, I went to Michael's and got a $13 skein of yarn. Used my 10% off, or not my 10%, but the $10 voucher, and then attached a 30% off coupon to it. And I thought 30% off was 30% off the $3 that was left over, but it was 30% off of the $13 skein. And so I got it for completely free. I didn't have to pay a penny for it. So that made me happy. And then I went to Joann's and bought the same skein, but at Joann's for 50% off. So overall, that made me very happy. But yes, this is the mess I've gotten myself into. I love it. I'm going to see if I can try to post either 2 videos this week or 2 videos next week. I'm not completely sure. I'm going to have like a market prep video and then a market video. So I'm not sure if the market prep video will go out this week or next week, but it will be one of them. So I'm going to see how doing 2 videos a week feels. Sorry, my face is cut off again, but I'm just going to see how doing 2 videos a week feels. I'm not sure if I'll like it, but we'll see. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see. I thank you guys so much for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.